Alrighty, dudes and dudettes, welcome back to Custom Black Motorsports, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, so I'm kind of in a dilemma today. Alright, I got some nasty headlights here that I need to repair. Alright, if I was to buy these headlights new, just a little heads up, this is a Volvo S60 T5, I believe, something like that. All right, the headlights are like $600 for the pair, $300 each. All right, so what I'm going to try to do with simple materials, all right, I'm going to try to make that other headlight kind of look like this one, clear, right? I want it to look clear. Okay, this one doesn't look so clear. All right, it kind of makes you look like a Dumas. Let's see if I can get, okay, one's clear. Right here looks pretty good. One's not, you know, it kind of makes you look goofy. All right, so we're going to try to remove that goofiness. And what we're going to use for materials today, just to move along, I'm going to use some 2000 grit sandpaper. Okay, a little bit of elbow grease, tape. I really recommend the tape. All right, so what you're going to want to do is tape off at least 2 to 3 inches around the headlight, all right, and especially areas like this, okay, because when you're using the buffer, if you don't take the headlight out, which is going to be a lot of work, right, it's a whole lot easier just to add tape. If you're going to use the buffer, there might be chances to where you hit these areas with the buffer from underneath the pad, and you're going to remove the paint off of these areas right here, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to remove the paint. What you want to do is you want to buff and polish the headlight. All right, so tape, one of the most important things I'm going to have to say. All right, then you can use whatever you want. I'm going to use some ultra cut compound, all right, for the buffing pad. All right, I got a couple pads here. Let's see what we got here. I got a buffing pad right there. All right, so I'm going to use the buffing pad to take out some of the bigger scratches from the 2000 grit sandpaper. All right, then I got this fine cut cleaner right here. Use whatever you want. I'm not saying use this junk. All right, so I'm going to use that with a polishing pad. Take it off this thing here. Polishing pad. So I got 2 pads. I'm going to buff and then I'm going to polish and make it shiny. Okay, I'm going to make it shiny. All right, and then one of the other things, you know, if you're doing your own deal, look, if you wanted to start a business, you could probably charge people $50 a headlight, and this is a really easy deal to do. All right, you can probably make a lot of money. I got a buffer tool here, okay, all right, to buff my headlights out. And then I'm going to use, to clean off residue and dirt and stuff like that, I'm going to use a quick detailer. Use whatever you want. This is what I'm using here. All right, works pretty good. All right, maybe not the best. You know, I'm not looking for the best. All right, this is just a daily driver, but we want it to look halfway ass decent. I'm going to use a microfiber towel with the quick detailer, all right, to remove any excess residue. Tape, I'm telling you guys, tape, tape, tape. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the McGuire's on, all right, the quick detailer. I'm going to use the sandpaper to sand the headlight out, and then I am going to buff it, get some of the big scratches out, and then I'm going to polish it, and I'm going to make it shiny. All right, and after I polish it, I'm going to use the quick detailer again and the microfiber to wipe it off for the finishing touch. All right, now I can see here I might have a defect I might not be able to fix, but I think I can fix all this other cloudy junk, which will make it at least 90% representable. Okay, so 90% 90% is going to be pretty good. Anything that's better than this nasty junk. All right, let's jump into it. Alright, it is. I'm not going to lie. Alright, the other headlight looked just as bad as this one. Okay, so I'm not going to pull a new piece of sandpaper out. I did the other headlight with one piece of sandpaper. It wasn't as bad, but it was actually kind of bad. Alright, so I got a piece of sandpaper, 2000 grit sandpaper that I had already used before. Now I'm going to wet the headlight. Okay, I'm going to wet it. And I'm going to get to sanding, baby. Yeah, I want the headlight to look smooth and chalky. Okay, smooth and chalky. Alright, we're going to go over this. We're going to get rid of all that grit and grime and fadedness from the sun, from the elements, from whatever. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I don't even care. I just want the headlight to look good. Alright, I don't know what's up with the science of why it went to looking like crap in the first place. Alright, I'm really going to give it a good sanding. The whole thing. Sand it down nice. Oh yeah, you can feel it. You can feel it. All right, when it all feels smooth. Okay. Feels fantastic. All right, so what I'm going to do is we're going to get rid of some of this residue here from sanding. Might not have mentioned that, but yeah, you're going to want to do that too. All right. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to fix that spot, but we'll still be able to make the headlight look really nice and shiny. All right, you can tell where the headlight is starting to fade away compared to the rest. All right, but what you're looking for, let it get completely dry. You want it, it's the most ideal situation. After you're done sanding, you want the whole entire headlight to look chalky white. You don't want any shiny spots. Okay? Because when you go to polish it out, it's just going to be an uneven polish. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and pull out a new 2000 grit sandpaper. This headlight's pretty bad. I'm going to wet it. You want to wet sand. Okay? Wet sand. Don't dry sand. Wet sand. Now I'm going to sand the headlight down. Okay. Pretty easy deal. Alright, save yourself a ton of money. Oh, come on, pal. Okay, I'm going to sand. Oh, it's getting crazy. Sand, elbow grease. Get to work. All right, be a man. Woman, I don't know. It's up to you. All right. There's that right there. Sand. I'm not going to get too crazy. I don't think I have to. I might be able to go right to polishing instead of buffing, but it's getting there. What you're looking for, you want the entire headlight to look foggy like this. I can see there's some spots that are shiny. That means I'm not done sanding, but for demonstration purposes, and I'm pretty sure it's going to look pretty good, we're going to go ahead and jump into the buffing part of this deal. So I'm going to use the buffing pad. All right, I'm going to put it onto the machine. Okay. All right, I'm going to get some of that ultra cut compound like I was telling you. I'm going to put it on the buffing pad, squirt a good little amount. Spare no expense. You don't want it to be dry. You don't want to do this type of stuff dry. Alright. Pretty low speed, where we're at 1,000 RPMs right there. Okay, after a little bit, doesn't take long, the buffing compound starts to dry up and become useless. And what I like to do is clean that compound off. Look at that. Look at that already, right? We haven't even gone to polishing. I could probably go right to polishing right now and it'll be good to go. Who cares? It's a daily driver, right? Just want it to look halfway decent. Yeah, let's see what happens if we go right to polishing now. Let's just go right to polishing. Okay. Little quick deal here. Like I was saying, you can make some bucks. 50 bucks a headlight or whatever you want to charge. Now I'm going to use some fine cut cleaner and the polishing pad, which makes it shiny. I'm going to put some of this fine cut cleaner on the polishing pad. All right. Add it to the headlight. Wow, look at that. Okay, I have some tape coming off here. I don't want to mess around with that. I'm going to take that tape off. Okay, got to be real careful about getting in here. There's going to be some hard spots sometimes, sometimes not. All right, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put some of this polishing compound right here in this corner. Everything's coming out. Look at that. It's looking great. Woo! There it is. Nice. You want to be careful, all right? Don't get too crazy. Take it easy, take your time. Oh, look at that. Man, this headlight went from junk, 100% junk, to being only 90% junk. Now, 90% junk, not too bad. Yeah. The more you polish it, the better it gets. I'll tell you that right now. You just got to spend some time. Right? It's either that or $600 a pair or $300 for one stinking headlight. Wow. Look at that. Don't get too zesty. Take your time. It doesn't take much. It doesn't take much. Look at that. Wow. Not so embarrassing now. Yeah, I can dig it. It was pretty embarrassing before. Not anymore. Yeah, I'm pretty good with that. I don't need to do any more than that. Yeah. There it is. Check it out. Wow. Look at that. Damn. Give me some. Man. Yeah, now they both look equal. I don't look like a reject going down a treat. Look at that. Dang. I couldn't even see inside the headlight. Hot damn hell yeah, y'all the baddest. Get some.